Welcome once again. Let's talk about Teruna Classic LUNC coin. Now, Teruna Classic today price, Teruna Classic trading at $523 million market cap with over $29 million trading volume as of today, this weekend. And you can see over 328,581,636,317 LUSD coin is being traded today. Now, one good thing is that as of 2 days ago, Teruna Classic was losing between 18% and 9%, 80% in the past 7 days and 9%. That's based on 24 hours. But today we are actually losing about 5%. Teruna Classic 2 days ago I was losing so high, and yesterday we saw LUNC coin pump by about 8% increase in price, which helped to reduce Teruna Classic losing rate. Now, one thing is that Teruna Classic are planning on new project. They are planning to get a new project that will help Teruna Classic burn more coin, a new project that will help Teruna Classic LUNC to gain more listening by some exchanges that have not listed Teruna Classic coin. Now, the main focus is to focus on the burning of Teruna Classic coin. They will need to get this coin, a lot of billions of Teruna Classic coin. They need to destroy this coin before the end of this year, because that is one of the simplest way to get this coin back on track. But I'm happy to see that the trading volume of LUNC is now increasing every day, and of course the market cap have continued to maintain between 500 million and 550 million US dollars. We are scared before that Teruna Classic might be losing down to 100 or 200 million dollars market cap after hitting over 170 million dollars that was pulled out of Teruna Classic within 4 days. So all over, you can see all over the places, so many people were like, wow, LUNC might be losing more, and you might see Teruna Classic market cap might drop back to about 100 or 200 million dollars, which is definitely not good for Teruna Classic. But since then, LUNC have managed to maintain high level of market cap, even though we know that Teruna Classic has lost over $718 million market cap within the past 3 months. Okay, that's a lot of money, but I still believe that LUNC will keep on increasing gradually, and very soon we are going to see Teruna Classic coin dominating once again. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.